The best way to get a vehicle repair estimate. Getting a good quality and trustworthy estimate is the most important first step when it comes to having your car repaired. Read on for more information about what you should do if an insurance company is taking their time getting an estimate to you, and how you can protect yourself from estimates that seem too low. Get a good estimate. When it comes to looking for a repair shop or facility that you hope will repair your vehicle, look for one where you would happily pay for the work to be done. Make sure that those working in the repair shop are qualified and know how to deal with all of the damage. You should also ensure that the amount quoted is enough to repair the damage to a high standard. If an estimate you're given is too low, it's likely that the amount that has been quoted to you will not be enough to properly repair the damage. If you have sustained an injury as a result of a car accident that was another driver's fault, please speak to a personal injury lawyer, as you may have a personal injury claim. Do not allow delays. It's important that you do not allow an insurance company to delay the estimate or repairs to your vehicle. If your vehicle has not been inspected within 1 to 2 weeks after your accident and there has been a good opportunity for it to be inspected or repaired, you may want to think about paying for the inspection or repairs yourself. Once the repairs have been done, demand that they reimburse you. Please be aware that if your car is repaired at the shop or facility that gave one of the highest estimates, that you might only be reimbursed for one of the lower estimates. You should also be aware that if your car is repaired before you have agreed to a settlement figure, the insurance company will not need to pay you for alternative transportation. Avoid low estimates. If you are told by someone such as a third-party adjuster that your car can be repaired for a lot less, you should be cautious. Some repair shops may be tempted to undertake lower quality repair work for a lower price. This may mean that your car is not inspected or repaired properly, and you could have problems further down the line. One of the best things you can do is get your car inspected and the damage estimated by an independent repair shop. If you get estimates from 2 to 3 repair shops and the insurance company's estimate is a lot less, then it's likely that they have not taken a thorough look at your vehicle. If you wish to know how much your car is worth, please read our article about a vehicle's actual cash value for more information.